I'm okay. Some day I know about 3 hours away from Liz, right? 3. Look at this. Take a look at this. Somebody take a look at this. This is why the song did that for right?
These too scandalous.
You take forever to get ready. What?
When I come from work half hour good, so it's a lie.
About 3 hours me there wait. Since you come.
If they come from work.
No.
Stop lying.
Since I did makeup. Well, I want good afternoon still. I'm already halfway, right?
I'm not half hour, babes.
I wonder why you always do
Babes,
that.
don't tell me, no?
You spend forever looking in the mirror. I wonder why you always do that. I see you trying to impress me, no baby. But you always impress me. Oh, Lizzie. You don't know that. In and out of makeup. And in the mornings, when you wake up. Finish it from Virgonation. This. You're so...
Beautiful.
Wow. Virgonation, I'm not so big on shades and them thing about. Tell me if them shades will fit me. Look. Liz, you think they might fit me?
Yeah, fit you. But your face is little. You can put
For
on your weight, babes.
Yeah, I'll put on some weight. And look.
Come on.
Like myself again.
You look like yourself in a but smaller version.
Yeah. In other words, what did I say one time? We did thick or thick in a Jamaican language. You know? Pandemic get a beating, you know, because everything we blame upon it, yeah. But it's true. I used to be in the gym more often and do my thing until this thing I come. You know what I mean? Yeah. When I get back there, yeah, take you on that journey with me as well too. Yeah, I have a mad trainer named Steve Ming. The man that kill people. Yeah man, you know, ramp when he come on to putting in the work, but enough of that. Please, let's go now. Alright. So we're inside this vehicle now. My wife is taking me on another date. Oh babes.
Your arm.
My arm? How do you smell? You smell it?
No. Yeah, you're not wanting with you. You not smell stink.
Thank you. Thank you!
You have anywhere in mind? Because I don't.
That don't make sense to
All
me.
this spontaneity.
You're taking me on a date, so you should know where you want to go.
Crew bar. We could have a crew bar.
Crew bar?
Crew bar open them hours here?
Yeah, no. Crew bar is a nice spot for real.
Yeah, crew bar is a nice spot. You know, say, Broken Plates have one nice juice or more, one nice cocktail juice or more.
Hey! Stop right there.
What?
A nicer?
Cocktail drink. Or, if it's a cocktail and drink?
No.
Anyways, they said they have a nice drink.
Lychee. I don't remember the name of it, but lychee nice. Nice.
Oh, wow, that
real
should-
creeper.
Or else can we go Virgonation?
Over there, sir?
I don't know.
Barbican Beach Bar. I never go over there, you know.
They look like you. No, sir. I'll let them turn now. I mean, them not home today.
They're not home till night.
Where can we
The AC
go?
them on, you know? The AC on.
No, man.
You see me sitting in a car like some shutter driver. If you're not lean on your shoulder, you're not shutter driver.
Where did you get that from? There's the reason why I hold up this camera Virgonation.
One more mount mash up, that's tell the truth.
Our mount, our camera mount, it mash up
Tell them why.
Well, the reason why the camera won't mash up, well, the second one, out of the only two we have.
A third one this.
A third one this? The third one to go. Liz always left the car park up in the sun.
No, that's not a reason. You're too strong.
Liz, I don't have nothing to do with them.
Whoever,
maybe the first one, yeah. Maybe the angle is too rough, but...
Who has ever read the book of Mice and Men? Romain and Lenny. And then Romain and him strength. I can start calling Lenny.
It's like let me know that book then.
Oh God. Lenny.
Only thing I want to know right now, Virgonation, from Liz, is...
No.
Have money?
I have card. I have my card. And my card never declines.
You know, I reach you at the reach you again.
What did you reach you at the machine was down?
I did that?
I dropped me down because I say you can't decline.
Oh. I say what kind of date this and we don't have no money? Have me a fret.
You never afraid.
We
You
don't
were
fret.
so confident.
No man, me I say yo, probably have to link Nico. Nico would have to come bail way out.
But you know that you take a lot of work. Nico, have you for dinner?
What do?
It's a lot of work to be your friend. Like, you get up, you think of something, you call Nico. Nico, we just think of something. Alright, later. Hang up. Think of another thing. Call Nico. Nico, we think of another thing. Alright, later.
It's not. I don't say go.
There you go. Bob?
Yes, I just jealous that I'm having a relationship.
I know. It's one.
I know you make, you know, them kind of relationship with any of your friends, you know.
At least.
We're business people.
At least none of my friends have not screened my calls.
Who are screen who for call?
This is Nico with Tammy Fording and he's just saying, shit! Man, he don't have no friend, man.
Only if he doesn't have a family.
Who does he doesn't have a family? Oh, I'm not him again.
Yeah, I'm not lying out about Nico right now. We're business people who always have all the business to talk about. And every time we call our music, sometimes some other things. Right, Nico?
Let me feel like if one day you call Nico like 4 times, I'm gonna call and check if you're alright. Because I go wonder like, Uncle Bob not call me 50 times today. I lie?
Oh gosh. Just love me, my friend. Please.
Slap yourself, please, though.
So we're putting up at the spot. You're like up on the rooftop.
Love yourself, my girl.
Don't chat. What you know? You see? These are people who drive with reverse cameras, you know? Not with rearview mirrors.
Shut it.
Is that been up on a look?
Listen to my man, me a shutter. Shutter driver. You know what that.
Alright, listen. I know much of people in car. Park. Put in a park, babes. In a park.
Park, honey. You can't trick me.
What a piece of date. I never planned. She just said, hey, let's go for a drink.
Babes,
And
even though I drink my carrot, right?
Mm-hmm.
We can eat a little something too.
So you think we all come in this drink? Okay, you better have your money. Alright. Okay, now we're kind of close. Wait for me! Oh, you're on left me. Oh, but the top, right?
Mm-hmm.
My Virgonation, wife to carry out husband to my time, you know? And just the other way around. Anyways, you're here.
I agree.
Can't hold the camera in people's face, so
When you reach and sit down.
when you sit down, when you see what's going on.
So guys, we're outside waiting for the hostess to come back. She told us to give her a second. I think she needs to sanitize and check our temperature. Babe, is it over there, sir? I hope we get a seat over there. I like the outside part.
Yeah, how about this look nice?
Yeah.
Alright!
That's it for your tour. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but something needs to be done about this.
Remember say neck me that show. Cool man. Virgonation. One time I used to have chest. Now it's neck. Leave me. You can get one. We can pull one for you.
Do it.
I get one. Thank you. Come on. You still got that. Give me.
How is it?
It's very good. Virgonation, Liz, let me try this thing right here so in front of me. Some lychee thing. No, tell a lie. I wonder this. They're supposed to think when I go on the road. I guess I reach Liz right now.
See your food from there.
Oh, my food is respect.
Yes,
Respect. Liz order something else and thinks that she doesn't get something else. And get this.
I mean, that doesn't make much sense.
What do you mean to make
Liz
sense?
ordered something else and thinks you're gonna get something else.
Hey, you didn't order this?
I ordered this,
But you never-
I thought I was gonna get something else.
You know, so you have a point. She have a point. It's like when I say someone kind of mix up.
Yes, but you see it, when they try to beat you, I beat themselves. You beat them bad.
Yeah, so she end up order this thing and she really and truly didn't want something else. Something that some lobster tear or the lobster shell.
Thanks, sir.
And they'll work out. But I got exactly what I ordered. It'll even look better than what I think it will look like.
Too extra.
A few moments later.
But nice. Everybody first at that party nice. Put up a
No,
calendar.
you pull that. You get the one button. Boy.
I'm okay. Ooh.
You can explain why you laugh? No, just tell why. If you can't tell me why, trust me. You can't tell me why. Just...
What made this start laugh?
You can't tell why that means you're drunk.
Honey, remember, wait, I'm crying? Why am I crying?
More worries, no. More worries.
I think I started laughing because I look for your face when you're seeing me nice, everybody free. What is going to me? Everybody free. Yo, I mean,
Careful. Should you come a good a while ago? No, something right.
Say hypothetically, I'm drunk, right? But just imagine what going on this thing here. What are
And so we're out. That was a good one. Yeah. Please let me try some from a drink. I'm not even understand why not really, but you gotta trust the wives.
It was good, right?
But it was good. Those kind of drinks
Okay, laugh.
make Liz laugh. Thank you, baby, for drink / lunch.
Yeah, you also drink / jokes.
Why you there laughing all this? Please tell me. Come we just couldn't. We just
Honestly?
never get it. You know something to make you drive?
Why?
You alright?
You know what I'm doing?
Why over there?
Doesn't trust me. But I see that.
Trust you, but for you didn't laugh a while ago, man. I don't know what to believe. But so far, you drive like you're alright. So. I knew they had one drink. Just one. Yeah, Virgonation. So that was a very good little vibe on the road with the wife. Took me out for the what time this for the year?
I thought we took each other.
I feel like now you didn't pay the bill, man. Whoever takes you out depends on whoever paid the bill. Did you know that? Well, I learned something today.
So I say, if you carry me out, I'm not supposed to pay the bill?
No?
No matter who paid the bill.
No, that don't
One
make sense.
umbrella.
No. This is gonna be a debate. If I take you out, I'm supposed to pay the bill. There's no way I can take you out and I expect you to pay the bill.
Me talk about me and you.
Oh, there's a thing in general. Like I said, if somebody take out somebody. In our case, it's kind of different because we grow past, just... Well, we not grow past dating stage. But me just say, that stage where probably would have look say, hey. Come to think of it, we've never been that way.
That meant to say, we never normally watch who do this and who do that. So like,
Yes.
I look on you and try to figure out where I say.
So I guess we were different.
Because what if you take me out and then when I time to pay the bill, you realize you leave your wallet. Are we going to sit in the restaurant because
No.
you took me out?
No. But
Am I going to pay the bill and be upset?
no. But alright. Let me give you an example of why I said what I said a while ago. Imagine a man meet you or you meet a man and him like you and he say, hey, can I take you for dinner? And he say, of course. Why not? And he say, how about tonight at 7? And he said, sure. And he said, okay, I'll pick you up. And he come, pick you up, and you end up at the restaurant. Think about, you don't eat food and everything like that. Who you expect to pay the bill?
Naturally, the person will invite you out.
So that's all I was trying to say.
Oh, well, that was just in the beginning.
You're not leave me on tired. Well, on the 100. Let me just try to fit it away. Alright. We have company.
Don't push it away, Ems.
One is-
What are you doing,
alright.
Emma?
Alright. One is a camera
Ems,
woman, apparently.
where are you pushing the camera? Emma! Daddy set up the shot already.
Please.
Why you push it away?
Alright.
Just to come give me a kiss. What your grabs here.
Thank you.
You kiss it to you?
See you. Have fun. The camera settings are feeling much better.
Yeah. Anyways, as I did I say a while ago. Vibe there a while ago? It did needed.
What's needed?
It needed because I'll miss it down here, so. Me just remember how me up there laugh uncontrollably. And I can't remember right now. Me try
Why you
remember.
there laugh? I don't. It's like when I tell me if say no, sir.
I get worried.
You get me start get worried now when I'm going to hide around the far up there. Can't let nobody know I'm coming with me and her coming. But we can't find her. They pull me button, and
Me say, I'll me try lose a button over the place, but find me out. Please relax though. So I was laughing uncontrollably at one point and couldn't tell why me I laugh. So it went just funny. I think it was your facial expression when me start laugh, because you did look genuinely concerned.
I know when me bite the
String bean.
string beans. You feel like that. I eat string bean and sometimes because the braces. So the braces kind of get caught up in the string bean and she see a piece of it just push out the bit out of my mouth. And the woman with that dead with laugh is
I
like,
start saying, I know I'm not drunk, I know me just see that too.
jeez and peace.
You get a chance to go through the comments under the last video post as sharing our
I get to go through a few of them, but me not
Basic
get to
stuff.
me that plan for go through them anytime soon.
well, what I went through so far. Basically, most persons were suggesting that we give to individuals rather than homes.
Okay.
And we even have individuals in the comment section asking for them and stuff like that. So we're revisiting it. We're basically going just go through the comments and probably respond to some people and try and give to individuals instead.
Mm.
I thought the giving to home thing was a good idea, but maybe we can do something separate
Something
in
else.
the future.
Yeah, and
right?
maybe something else.
Probably some toiletries.
more
Look at it.
meaningful. Yeah.
And probably get people on board too.
Yeah, true. Yeah, Virgonation, that's it. Thank you for watching. You know, and if you're not subscribed as yet, what are you waiting on? So I'm gonna move it down. The voice, like an actor. What are you waiting on? Yeah, but if you're not yet subscribed, you know, remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and we have some exciting things coming up. So click the notification bell so you don't miss them. Alright? See you in our next video.